Yes. Stephanie. Stephanie, get over here. Come on, Are you gonna record?
Yes.
You're gonna record? Okay. Alright. And here, everybody, is the queen.
Okay, now let me do my recording. And this is the person who's gonna, like, crown her or something.
She's doing a coronation.
Come to the coronation. Whatever the hell that shit is called.
Come on, somebody sing something.
And what?
Yeah, some spiritual shit.
And action.
Sing. You don't sing it. That's me.
Nigga.
Come on, but Trevor, come in.
She DDP.
What? Okay, now. Okay. Now. I, the Queen of Christmas, shall give by psychic a memory you won't forget. I shall give her this rose, in my honor, to remember, she is my faithful psychic. No! Crazy! Give it! And I give this majestic brush to the recorder.
Somebody show your face.
As a symbol. That she was a witness of my coronation.
Give me, I want to record her coronation. You're supposed to be helping her fix her stupid crown. My crown.
Oh, and the necklace now. See, now since you're here, teacher, gotta do it. Okay. What?
She's like a priest.
Crazy. All hail, Queen of Crazy. Okay, come record me. All hail, Queen of Crazy. Queen of Crazy.
Queen, are you done?